with a brand name or a name for your business can be quite difficult. We've come up with over 10 brand names over the years, so we've picked up a few tips and tricks that have really helped us along the way. In today's video, I'm going to show you a free tool that we use to generate brand names. So this could be a name that you want to assign to a line of products or a company that you're thinking about setting up. But the tool I'm going to show you is completely free. You just enter your keywords and it will throw you out potential brand names that it checks against things like trademark databases and to make sure the domains are actually free, because that's what takes up a lot of the time. So if you're new here and you haven't been here before, my name's Nick and this is the eBusiness Boss channel. If you're interested in these types of videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. If you've got any questions at all about any of the software we use or just anything, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as promised, here it is. This is the free business name generator that we use to help us come up with brand names. We found this to be really, really useful and it can help you speed up the process. And yeah, we find it incredible. So I'm going to show you an example. So I'm going to pretend that we want to create a brand to sell in the dog niche. So what we'll need to do first is, you can use just one word to maybe start to generate some ideas. So if we just put in dog, and then it's going to give you some instructions. So what would you like? Would you like a short name? So if you just want to go for a short name and you want that to be your exact website domain, chances are the website's going to be more expensive. So we usually go for medium names. You can go over and enter some more keywords. So we might enter dog, puppy, love, pets. Okay, we've selected medium names. Name style. It's very self-explanatory. You can use things like rhyming words, like Subhub, Firewire. I have another video to help you guys when it comes to actually naming your brands and maybe understanding some of the different types of brand name types. So if you want to watch that, I'll leave a link to it above. You can click on that and check it out. But watch this first because you're going to find this useful. So for this example, and the most popular option here, we can go for a brandable name. So we've entered those details. We just click generate and it gets to work. And this is going to show us a load of potential names that we could use. And then, of course, it is going to be up to you to go out and double check that these are all okay to use. But as a name generator, it works really well. And I believe all of these names are actually free in terms of the actual domain itself. So animal.ly, okay, these are premium. So obviously they want to try and sell you domains as well, but you don't need to do that. And you don't even need to buy or register the domain from this website. So if we go down, we've got all sorts. So dog pets, love puppy, leashy, poo kisses. I'm not sure if that's a great name. Cuddle farm, kitten fur, houndsy, doggily. You can see that the options are endless. So this is a tool that we really get on with, and it can just help you come up with some different ideas. So yeah, it's definitely well worth checking out. Let's do one more just to give you guys another example. Let's say we want to create a fitness, primarily men's fitness. Actually, no, we'll do generic male and female fitness, strong, workout, and that's enough. We'll go for the same name length and the same name style. Click generate. Really doesn't take too long at all. Guys, if you've got any questions as well about how we use this, or maybe part of our brainstorming process, because you will need to come up with the keywords at the start, leave a comment below and I'm happy to help you out. Just leave a comment. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And look, we can see here there's more and more examples of words that we could use for this brand. So we've got Gym Manly, like I say, that is quite male focused. Workouty, Gymzo, Fitnoid, Gymrific, Workout C. There's all sorts. So yeah, this is a free tool. We're not affiliated with these guys in any way. It's just a free tool that I found that I thought you guys would find useful. A bit of a shorter video today for you guys, but hopefully that's brought you some value. If you're interested in anything I've spoken about, if you're interested in building your own online business, interested in Amazon, affiliate marketing, subscribe to the eBusiness Boss channel and turn on the notifications bell. That way you'll be the first to know about useful videos. We have committed to putting out a useful video every single week, so unless anything drastic happens, that will happen. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, please smash the like button and there'll be more useful videos from us very soon. Thanks for watching.